Hello everyone. Welcome back to Easy Computer Learning. In our last video, we learned about the CPU, the brain of the computer. Today, we are going to learn about something equally important, RAM. What is RAM? How does it work? How much RAM do you need? Let's get started. What is RAM? RAM stands for Random Access Memory. It is the temporary memory of the computer. It stores data and programs that the computer is currently using at that moment. The word random access means the CPU can access any part of this memory instantly, in any random order, without going through all the data from the beginning. Simple example. Think of your computer like a person doing office work. RAM equals your work desk. Everything you are currently working on is kept on your desk. Hard disk equals your filing cabinet. Everything is stored there permanently. CPU, you, the person doing the actual work. When you need a file, you take it from the filing cabinet, hard disk, and put it on your desk, RAM, to work on it. When you are done and turn off the computer, your desk is cleared, but the filing cabinet still has everything saved. How does RAM work? When you turn on your computer, Step 1. Operating system, Windows, loads from hard disk into RAM. Step 2. When you open an app, like Chrome, it loads from hard disk into RAM. Step 3. CPU processes data directly from RAM at very high speed. Step 4. When you close the app, it is removed from RAM. Step 5. When you shut down the computer, RAM is completely cleared. Simple example. When you open YouTube on Chrome, Chrome loads into RAM. YouTube website data loads into RAM. Video starts playing. CPU reads video data from RAM. You close Chrome. RAM frees up that space. You shut down. RAM is completely empty again. Types of RAM. RAM is divided into two main types. 1. SRAM, static RAM. Very fast, but very expensive. Does not need to be refreshed constantly. Used as cache memory inside the CPU. Very small in size, only a few megabytes. 2. DRAM, dynamic RAM. Slower than SRAM, but much cheaper. Needs to be refreshed thousands of times per second. This is the RAM you see as a stick inside your computer. Available in gigabyte sizes. Modern RAM types, DRAM versions, DDR4 RAM. Currently most common RAM in laptops and desktops. Fast, power efficient, widely available. Used in most computers made between 2015 and 2022. DDR5 RAM. Latest and fastest RAM available today. Used in newest computers and laptops, 2022 onwards. Much faster than DDR4. Example. Intel 12th and 13th generation processors support DDR5. Simple example. DDR4 is like a 4-lane highway, and DDR5 is like an 8-lane highway. More lanes means more data can travel faster. RAM versus ROM. What is the difference? Many beginners get confused between RAM and ROM. Let's clear this up. RAM, random access memory. Temporary memory. Data is lost when computer is turned off. Used for running programs and tasks. Can be read and written. Example, 8 GB RAM in your laptop. ROM, read-only memory. Permanent memory. Data is not lost when computer is turned off. Stores basic instructions for starting the computer. Called BIOS, UEFI. Can only be read. Cannot be changed easily. Example, BIOS chip on your motherboard. Simple example, RAM is like a whiteboard. You write on it, erase it, write again. ROM is like a printed book. The content is fixed and permanent. How much RAM do you need? 4 GB RAM, minimum for basic use. Good for simple tasks like typing documents and browsing. Will feel slow if you open many apps at once. Suitable for very basic office work and simple tasks. 8 GB RAM. Sweet spot for most users. Good for students, office work, browsing, YouTube, light gaming. Can run multiple apps smoothly at the same time. Suitable for students, teachers, office workers. 16 GB RAM. Great for heavy multitasking. Good for video editing, graphic design, and gaming. Suitable for content creators, gamers, programmers. 32 GB RAM and above. Professional level. Good for 4K video editing, 3D animation, heavy programming. Suitable for professional video editors, engineers, data scientists. Simple example, 4 GB RAM is small desk, can only keep 2 to 3 books open. 8 GB RAM, medium desk, can keep 5 to 6 books open comfortably. 16 GB RAM, large desk, can keep 10 plus books open easily. 32 GB RAM, huge professional desk, can keep everything open. RAM speed. What is megahertz? RAM speed is measured in megahertz. Megahertz. Higher megahertz equals faster data transfer between RAM and CPU. Common speeds, 2400 MHz, 3200 MHz, 4800 MHz, 6000 MHz. DDR5 RAM starts from 4800 MHz and goes much higher. Simple example, RAM speed is like the speed of a delivery courier. A faster courier delivers files from RAM to CPU more quickly. How to check your RAM on Windows. Method 1. System Properties. Right-click on this PC. Click Properties. 3. You will see your total RAM listed there. Method 2. Task Manager. 1. Press Ctrl and Shift and Escape. 2. Click Performance tab. 3. Click Memory. 4. You will see total RAM, RAM speed, how much is being used right now, and RAM type. Try it right now on your computer and see how much RAM you have and how much is being used. Interesting facts about RAM. First computers in the 1940s had no RAM. They used magnetic drums for memory. The first RAM chip was introduced by Intel in 1968. RAM is about 100 times faster than a regular hard disk drive. If your computer has 8 GB RAM and you open too many apps, it starts using hard disk as extra memory. This is called virtual memory, and it makes the computer very slow. Smartphones also have RAM. That is why a phone with 8 GB RAM can run more apps at the same time than a phone with 4 GB RAM. So now you know what RAM is, how it works, the difference between RAM and ROM, and how much RAM you need for different tasks. Remember, RAM is your computer's work desk. The bigger the desk, the more tasks you can do at the same time. In our next video, we will learn about hard disk versus SSD. Which storage is better? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.